Hello everyone, COVID Action Group presents Home Isolation Guide. Today, as we are battling the shortage of resources, managing the asymptomatic and mild cases at home in the right way has become the greatest need of the hour to ensure fewer hospital admissions to reduce the burden on our healthcare system. A proper way of isolating patients at home is very important to curb the spread of the disease as well as to protect patients from progressing to a severe stage. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has thus come up with some basic guidelines for home isolation. Let us guide you through your duties during the home isolation. For understanding the guidelines, it is important to know the definition of mild or asymptomatic disease. Remember, the patient should be clinically assigned as a mild or asymptomatic case by the doctor. Patient is said to be asymptomatic when his oxygen saturation is more than 94% at room air and when he does not have any symptoms. Mild cases when the patient has mild cold, cough, fever, etc. without shortness of breath and oxygen saturation is more than 94% at room air. These are the essentials for home isolation. There should be essential facility at the patient's residence for self-isolation and for quarantining the family members. A caregiver should be available on a 24/7 basis. A communication link between a caregiver and hospital is a must during home isolation. In case of patients more than 60 years of age, those suffering from immunocompromised status such as HIV, transplant recipient, cancer therapy, etc., and those with comorbid conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, chronic lung, liver, kidney disease, cerebrovascular disease, etc., they are allowed home isolation strictly only after evaluation by the doctor. The caregiver and all close contacts of such cases should take prophylactic treatment as and if prescribed by the doctor. Thank you for listening to this video. If you have any questions, requirements related to COVID, or even wish to volunteer, you can contact us at our website given on the screen or at our Instagram handle @COVID Action Group. Thank you.